The end results of today's recipe is going to blow your mind. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment that can help you resolve hair problems like thinning, alopecia or balding if you're losing your edges or even if you're having split ends. This treatment can help you grow back your hair. When my edges were all lost, my hair was thinning out. This recipe and other natural ingredients have helped me grow my hair much faster, fuller, and more beautiful. And I'm not greedy, so I spill all the tea to the tea. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video so you can get all the information you need to help you grow your hair much better. Let's get into the video. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. And if you are new here, I am super excited to have you join us today. Let me tell you a few rules around this channel. On this channel, we show a whole lot of love, and we do so by giving videos a thumbs up. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and we love for new ones to join us. So do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. And when you do click on the bell, do not forget to select all. So each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you'll be notified. All right, let's get into the recipe. So one of my ingredients for today's recipe is ginger. And I started by washing my ginger. Then after that, I'm going to dry it. With this recipe, we need all the ingredients really dry. We don't need any water in this recipe. So whenever we're going to wash something, we will have to make sure we dry it with a cloth or a paper towel. Then after that, we're going to leave it to air dry. My next ingredient is the rosemary herbs. Rosemary has so many great benefits for our natural hair. It can actually stimulate blood flow into your scalp and help you grow much healthier hair. You all know new hair always grows from the scalp. So any treatment that is going to help treat your scalp is something that you have to keep serious. And that is what is amazing about these ingredients today. They all are going to treat your scalp and give way for new hair growth. So I just picked some of my rosemary herbs. I washed it, make sure it's washed because we don't want any bacteria or germs or any dirt in our recipe. Okay, so my next powerful ingredient is garlic. Garlic can boost collagen production that helps stimulate hair growth. It is also rich in vitamin C content that is also great in promoting hair health. Garlic has antimicrobial properties that help to kill germs and bacteria which are responsible for causing damage to the scalp. And this will help give way to new healthy hair growth. Garlic will treat your scalp and make it really healthy. I just love adding garlic to my hair growth regimen. As I said before, this recipe is the bomb, guys. You just have to follow it and give it a try because all the ingredients put together are really powerful. They have great benefits for our hair growth and they really do work. So I'm going to use 4 of the garlic and I'm going to wash it. And remember, we do not need any water in this recipe. So whatever we wash, we dry it and put it aside. Alright, there is one more ingredient I'm going to add to this recipe to even make it work much better. And I'm going to introduce that to you in a little while. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video. So let's get into our ginger. Our ginger is all dried now. There is no water in it. So I'm just going to chop it into little pieces so my blender can handle it. But hey, feel free to use your chopper or blender. And if they can handle it, you do not need to chop it like so. So I'm also going to move on to my rosemary. I need to just get the herbs from the stick. You can use any way that makes it much easier for you, but this is how I do it. As I said earlier, rosemary can help stimulate and improve circulation to the scalp, which will encourage new hair growth. It also serves as a hair cleanser that helps to cleanse your scalp and give way to new hair growth. Rosemary, when used in an oil, can help reduce hair fall and also help prevent your hair from breaking. The next ingredient I'm going to add is cloves. Cloves have so many great benefits for our natural hair growth. It has anti-inflammatory agents which can help thicken your hair. It also has a high level of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. So I added about a tablespoon of cloves and this is what I have now. The next ingredient is macadamia oil. I chose to use olive oil today, but feel free to use any oil of your choice. You can use grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, or any oil that works for your hair. The oil is just a carrier oil, but what is really going to do the trick are these ingredients. They are powerful and they are going to help stimulate blood flow into your scalp and also improve new hair growth. And yeah, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like this, you'll be notified. And do not forget to click on all each time you click on the bell. That way YouTube will always notify you whenever I upload a new video. So this is what I'm having now. I blended it and now I'm going to put it in my frying pan like so. And I'm going to put it on the stove and allow it to fry on a very low heat. The trick is you do not want to burn your ingredients because if you do burn them, you will have to start all over again. And I don't want that for you. So make sure you stay with this recipe whenever you put it on fire, okay? Do not walk away from it because it takes just a little bit for it to be burned. And I just love the smell of the ginger. Guys, my kitchen is smelling. The ingredients put together, aside the fact that they can help boost hair growth, they smell amazing. One thing I like about ginger is it contains so many vitamins and minerals that can help contribute to strengthen your hair strands. It can help prevent hair loss and also help to restore moisture in your hair. Ginger helps improve the circulation of the scalp while also stimulating each hair follicle, which in turn will promote natural hair growth. Adding ginger or this recipe altogether to your hair care regimen will not only treat your scalp to give way to new hair growth, but it will also strengthen the hair that you already have on your hair so they do not break. So this is about time for me to set off the fire, and this is my recipe. I allow it to cool down and then it's time to strain it. You can use any material with tiny holes to strain this recipe. You can use a cheesecloth, your wake up, your stockings. Just make sure whatever you're using is really clean because you do not want to contaminate this. And guess what? We're not wasting anything here. We're getting everything out of this pan. Alrighty, so look at the yummy oil, guys. Just look at that. The color to it, I just love it. The smell, everything about this recipe would let you know that it's really going to work on your hair. You just need to give it a try, guys. Just give it a try. And let me hear from you in the comment section if you have used any of these ingredients in your hair growth. So I saw some residue in it and I don't like any of those in my hair. So I'm going to strain it the second time, and this time I'm going to use a paper towel. Use anything that you have to strain it the second time in case you see any residue in it, because you don't want to spend the rest of the year picking stuff from your hair. Alrighty, so look at that yummy oil, and at this point your oil is ready. You can use it as it is, or you can add some other ingredients to it to even make it work much more better. And guess what I'm going to add? My vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil has similar properties to these natural ingredients that we use. It is also going to help stop hair breakages and help you grow your hair much faster. And that was why I added to it. And you do not even need much. Just a few drops will do the trick. You do not have to add it if you don't have it. Just feel free and use it as it is, because the most important stuff in it are the natural ingredients that we put together. And yummy, our oil is ready. Look at that. Just look at it, guys. It looks so thick. It looks like, oh my goodness, I don't even know the right words to use for it. So at this point, there are so many ways that you can use this oil. You can use it as a hot oil treatment. Just warm it up, put it on your scalp, cover it with a shower cap for 30 minutes, then rinse it off. You can also leave it in your hair. You can use it to seal in moisture in your hair after you have applied your leave-in conditioner. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have given this video a thumbs up. And I know you have subscribed. Click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. Bye.